Hey Google, turn on studio light.
Got it. Turning the studio light on.
Alright guys, welcome back to this channel, and today we'll be having another diecast parcel to be unboxed na galing kay Okix Wheels, yan, from Baguio City. So si Okix Wheels is selling pre-love, particularly diecast. So guys, if you're into buying pre-love items, just follow his page and check his post for his items for sale. Okay, so what we have here, this is another diecast truck at 1:50 scale. By the way, itong nabili natin sa kanya, this is just pre-love guys. And aware tayo sa condition ng toy na to. May mga paint chips, some few paint chips and scratches, some missing parts. So let's unbox this. Itong nakuha natin sa kanya, this is a highly collectible scale. This is 1:50 na cab tractor. Pre-love lang to guys, kaya wala to yung trailer niya. Pero doon sa brand new condition, just like in the picture, yan yung packaging niya. And yan yung trailer niya. Okay. Secure naman yung parcel ni sir. Just like yung una kong nabili sa kanya. Maganda yung packaging ni sir. So thank you very much sir for securing my item. So, ingatan ko lang guys kasi naka-bubble wrap na lang siya. Baka ma-cut natin. Anyway, itong nakuha natin sa kanya, ang brand naman na itong truck na to, particularly Scania. Yan, ay Euro truck. Yan, ayan na siya. Ingatan ko lang guys. Yan. Okay, so ito siya guys. This is a Scania R450 cab by Carrarama CR026 model at 1:50 scale. Yan yung itsura niya guys. Okay, for the details, yung nakikita nyo white guys dito sa head niya, this is diecast. May moonroof siya pero solid color. This is parang rubberized yung texture pero plastic to tingin ko. Yan. Tapos yung spoiler niya. Yung spoiler niya guys is diecast embedded dun sa body niya. Hindi siya yung usual na nakabukod tong spoiler. Yan. Dito sa head niya, ang plastic sa kanya is itong windshield and side windows. Yan, na clear. Kita yung details sa loob. This is a left-hand truck. Tapos, itong details niya sa grill niya, this is plastic guys. Tapos may logo ng Scania. Meron ditong model number. Let's zoom in. This is R620 guys. Hindi siya R450. Okay, so yan. Diecast metal to guys. Painted yun nasa loob. Tapos yung headlights niya is acrylic. Very premium yung look. Tapos dito detail siguro ng mga fog lamps which is acrylic din kasama dun sa assembly ng headlight. Tapos wala naman nakasulat sa plate number. Yan. Tapos sa side na to, painted yung doorknob. Ang missing sa kanya dito is itong side mirrors niya. Yan. Tapos, itong body niya, this is diecast metal, itong black na to, part na to. Rubber wheels. Ang ganda yung texture ng rubber, parang yung sa mga Isuzu truck, ng mga EXR, ganun. Maganda rin texture. Tapos, itong part na to, this is diecast, itong white na to. Tapos, yung mga rims niya, ganda rin yung mga detalye guys. This is plastic. Ang color niya is gray. Sa side na to, this is plastic. Itong mga mudguards niya, flarings. At the back, Yung body niya guys is plastic. Itong body niya. Plastic tong details dito. Sa bottom, plastic to guys. Itong fenders is plastic. Painted yung supposedly signal lights saka stop lights. So, may plate number pero walang nakasulat. Logo ng Scania here. Okay, sa side na to, this is die-cast, itong white. Yan. So, that's much of it. Ito yung details niya, guys. By the way, model na to na should be have a trailer, just like in the picture, a shipping container. Yan. But, syempre, pre-love lang to. Ito lang yung nakuha natin sa kanya. Titignan natin kung makakapag-acquire tayo ng trailer para sa ganito. Kasi this is 1:50. Mahirap maghanap ng trailer na ito. Okay, sa bottom, may details dito ng exhaust pipes. Yan. Maganda rin yung details na sa ilalim, guys. So, yung ay mga axles niya. 2 wheels sa likod. This is a 2 axle wheels. Dalawang gulong dito sa rear. Tapos sa middle, tig-isa. Left and right. Tapos sa harap, tig-isa. This is a 6x2 truck. Okay. So, for the functionality, based on the web, ang function nito, it has a tilting head. Let's check. But it should be a tilting head. Okay, that's it. Yan, it has a tilting head. May details ng engine sa loob. Yan. Okay, so aside from dyan, meron siyang wheel articulation, guys. Medyo may problema yung wheel articulation niya, may kulang na parts pero magagawa naman natin ng paraan yan. And it should be a tilting wheel articulation. Okay, so aside from dyan, yun lang, yung functionality niya. Ang missing din dito pala nakita ko, itong ano niya, fifth wheel. Wala yung fifth wheel. Dito kinakabit yung trailer, guys. By the way, yung tilting head niya pala, guys, this is a spring-loaded. Kusa siyang bumubukas. And I suppose kailangan natin i-fix yung pinaka-lock niya dito para mag-stop yung ano niya. Ayoko lang i-pursue kasi baka ma-damage natin lalo. But ganda nung details, guys. This is a tilting head, spring-loaded. For the weight, let's check the weight. Medyo mabigat din at 1:50 scale, guys. Okay, so yun yung weight niya, 172 grams, guys. And for this size comparison, I have here my Mercedes Actros by Siku at 1:50 scale din, guys. Pero ito, ano lang to, yung single axle sa likod. Okay, so yan yung difference ng ano nila, itsura nila, guys. Ganda rin ng detalye ng Scania. Malaking potential nito for project. Okay, for another size comparison, meron pa ako isa dito. Meron tayong Isuzu na EXR. Yan. So, malaki talaga yung mga Scania, guys, yung mga Euro truck. Pareha silang 1:50. Pero yung mga Euro truck, tulad netong Mercedes, yan, matatangkad yung mga truck na ganito. This is a Japan truck, itong EXR. Low roof, while yung Scania is a high roof. Bubble roof ang tawag nila doon. Just like itong Mercedes Actros, yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, na usually yung mga spoiler nila is plastic. Pero this time, di sa Carrarama, die-cast tong spoiler niya, embedded sa body. Okay, so one more time. Ito yung itsura nila, difference ng EXR saka Scania. Scale model to, guys, na base sa Scania 620 6x2 Series 6. Yan. Yan lang na nakita nating issue niya, wheel articulation. Pero importante, may wheel articulation siya. Madali na lang gawa ng paraan yung guys. Tapos missing yung mga side mirrors. We'll check kung makakakuha tayo na mag-fit in sa kanya na side mirror. Tapos itong lock ng cab head. Yan, kailangan natin ayusin. Yung fifth wheel, I think may parts tayo para dito sa fifth wheel, yung kabitan ng trailer. Wala naman masyado ng primary na nawawalang parts. Sa body, wala akong nakikitang missing parts dito. Yung mga itong mga tanks niya fully intact naman. Ito, this one para dito yata to. Yan. Ganda rin ng detalye guys, no? Okay, so that's much of it. If you like more of this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So I'll see you for the upcoming video, and goodbye.